on Jansen family homeschooling, teaching Margo to ride a dirt bike.
Margo, why are you wearing sandals?
Hey, just give it a little gap, not a lot. A little gap. Okay, go.
Nice underwear, Dad.
Come on, Margo, it's like riding a bike. It's just like riding a bike. Except it goes a little faster.
Jansen family homeschooling, how to ride a dirt bike, part 1, let's not kill a child in sandals. Wow.
Upshift. Where are you teaching her that?
Up, Margo.
I'm swimming. Great. Not so fast. Come on, Margo. There we go!
Are you getting this?
Yeah, I'm getting this! Wow!
Keep going,
You got it, Margo!
Nice and easy. Keep going, gas. Whoa. Lift that hippie.
Just like riding a bike, Margo.
Don't hit me either, please.
Keep going. Okay, come this way. No! Crap! Wow, this is why I don't quit smoking. Hey,
You
come on,
can't run
Margo.
anymore.
Let's go this way. Give it gas.
Margo, gas. All right, Margo.
Hey, how does it feel?
You're doing that.
You drove a dirt bike.
Good job.
Why keep doing that?
Okay, go. Go.
Whoa!
Yeah, let's not fall off the dirt bike. Okay, but you have to give it gas.
Yes, you did.
Go. Give it gas. Go. Gas. Give it gas.
Okay.
You have to give it gas. Go. Yeah,
Lincoln, move. Nobody can see anything.
Go. Go. That kid ain't right. She scares me.
Well, she'll do anything.
I know she will.
She don't care.
Come back.
All right, and that is the end of Jansen family homeschooling.
That's all we have for you today, folks. Bye-bye.